At ito naman guys, ang pangalawang kasama sa tatlong housing lots na for bidding this Monday, August 4, 2025. Camellia Cerritos Heights, Daang Hari, Molino, Bacoor, Cavite. Ayan siya guys. Bidding price 4,417,400 pesos. Net. All transfer including CGT shoulder by the buyer. Lot area of this house 117 square meters and floor area 88 square meters. Malapad siya. Ang lapad ng lupa. Payment price nito, same lahat, 2080. 5% reservation fee, 15% payable and within 15 days, and 80% through bank. At huwag kayong mag-alala guys, kasi ako mismo ang tutulong ng loan nyo sa bank, kahit saan bank nyo gustong i-loan. Okay? PM me now guys if you're interested to this property. Dito makaka-discount kayo ng almost 50%.